What is up, YouTube? Today we're finally going to be installing the fifth wheel hitch that we got to carry around and haul our trailer. Very excited to do this. A little nervous. We'll see how it goes. So you can see all the parts here. Bag of nuts and bolts, pins and screws. It is a Kurt R16 fifth wheel. It is the slider kind. So the first part right here is just going to be installing these pieces into the base of the truck. Truck's a little dirty. Yeah, a little car wash maybe. So the first part of the install is very easy. Just taking each one of these screws in all four corners. Let's see, I've already got the other three in. Just put them in, lining up the holes from each bracket. Put him through from underneath. And then it does say, do not tighten them quite yet. It says loosely assemble. So before actually putting the braces down into the holes in the bed of the truck, we need to take this little pin, remove it, and make sure these are open like that for all four. Once all four, I call them the feet. I think the proper term is locking bolts according to the directions. Once all four of the feet are into the holes, close the little handle here. You just put the pin back, and then now we're going to tighten these screws completely. So at this point, it's time to tighten the bolts down now that I've gotten the framing into the bed of the truck. I just have a 7/8 inch socket on the socket wrench and just a pair of pliers there. So now that we have the adapter, apparently is what it's called, we have that installed, it is time to actually install the roller portion. So give me a minute, I'm gonna have to come up with a clever nickname for that. So these are all the parts for the actual roller portion of the hitch. So just struggled for a little bit there because I'm a dummy. So this piece right here, this silver piece, actually goes in through here. I was putting it in through this side, which then in turn caused it to be short and wasn't allowing me to put the bolt through the little holes there. So once I figured that out, after about 10 to 15 minutes of being really confused, it goes in this way, not through outside here. Moving on. So I finally got the piece in back there by taking all of the pins out of the base and then reposition it. So I was able to get this one in, but it wouldn't close all the way. So when I repositioned it again, I finally got that one to close, but then this one was out. So in order to get this one to close, I had to remove the pin from the top of here. You can see how it is in there. And then loosen this, and it fell right down into place. And I was able to finally close, put the pin in it to never be touched again. So now tighten this back up, put the pin back in, we should be good. So the final part of the install, the actual hitch. This actually seems very simple. This bad boy already came pretty much pre-assembled. It's a bag of 4 bolts basically. There's a couple others in there. Also a little wrench, the handle, and whatever that is. I'm sure I'll find out. And that.